काँग्रेसीचे कार्यकर्ते चिखलेचे आदले सरपंच आनाक्लेत डिसोजा हांणी आपली घरकान्न वेरोनिका डिसोजा हिच्या सयत चिखले पंचायतीच्या पंच सदस्याक घेवन आमदार मॉविन गुदिनो हांकां तेंको उक्तायला। येता त्या वेंचणुकेंत आमदार मॉविन गुदिनो हांचे खातीर वावुरपाचे आनाक्लेत डिसोजा हांणी मिडिया कडेन उलयतना सांगला। आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा।
I have not joined. I was always MG, and that MG stands for Mowin Godino. So it was not that I was not with him, but I was just out for some my personal reasons. Now, since I have come back, I have just met him. But we always had our relations as family. Like it was as good as a close family member. Family relationship was always there. Only that we were not in touch because I was abroad.
So now, what is the election strategy? How you will support and all that?
How you will support? I will be with him. When I say I am MG, means I will be with Mowin Godino. I am not here as to support as a party. I said I am there to support Mowin Godino.
As far as I am concerned, he did tell me before going abroad that he is going abroad for better prospects. I will explore the possibility, and he had also mentioned to me before going that when I will come back to work for your elections. Now he has come back here. I think to be here, he will not be going anymore perhaps. But I don't think anything went wrong in between, except that I felt his absence. In his absence, various things happened. Perhaps he became a victim. So I call it a happy homecoming. And I always considered him as a friend. And as you have seen, we are growing from strength to strength. Now ours is a solid group of 8. And it was due to some misunderstanding that even some others went away. And I want to tell you that even now there are some people who are wanting to come. But what happened was, we were always like one family. In my bad times, when I was not even MLA, this panchayat had stood by me. So it was a little odd that when I became MLA, some people were misguided and taken elsewhere. So I am happy today that we are a solid group of 8 now. Veronica as a punch has joined us. Kleto, whom the Congress was projecting as a candidate and trying to make him work against me, he is today with me. And I consider that he is with me with his whole heart and soul. So it shows them that the Congress stands nowhere as far as Dabolim constituency is concerned. We have one of the best panchayat Gar in entire Goa. I think Chikali Panchayat Gar will obtain full marks for that. We have got a lift, we have got all modern facilities. Same way, we have got a good healthy majority. Because it is more than 2/3, 8 out of 11 are with us. So what does it show? So even better functioning, better cooperation, and strong will of the people who are showing their support to me. So I am thankful to them that all of them are with me.